This is our next question. It is asked in your GATE 2008. They are saying that consider the following C function. So you have to consider this following C function f1 and f2. F1 is saying that int f1 int n, if n is equal to 0 and n is equal to 1, return n. Then when n is either 0 or 1, you have to return n. Yeah. Else return 2 into f1 n minus 1 and 3 into f1 n minus 1. Okay. So here they are asking you the running time of f1n on input n and f2n. So what is going to be the time complexity of that? Time complexity what you are going to get for f1 and f2. Now see for f1, if you try to give the recurrence relation, see it is going to be t of n is going to your constant time when n is equal to 1 or smaller than equal to 1. Okay. So you can say that when like 0 or 1, then you are going to return n. So that work is going to take constant time, only 1. Okay. Now else part. Now else part, it is doing 2 into t of n minus 1. So it is 2 into multiplication of that. See, if the f1 on input n, if the time complexity of this is t of n, then function f1 on input n minus 1, the time complexity will be t of n minus 1. And here f1 n minus 2, it's going to be t of n minus 2. Now they are doing some multiplication and addition. So this is going to incur constant time. So it is going to be 1 plus, see, why 1? Because for the multiplication and because of the addition, it is going to take constant time. And this, because of this function, it is going to take t of n minus 1 plus t of n minus 2. T of n minus 1 plus t of n minus 2. So this is the recurrence relation. We got it. Okay, when n is greater than 1, when n is greater than 1. And this recurrence relation is recurrence relation of a Fibonacci series. Okay, Fibonacci series. So if you solve this, see, it is even very difficult to solve this by golden ratio. It is going to be solved. So that is not in our syllabus. So for this part, you have to just remember, since this is a, you know that this is a Fibonacci series recurrence. So it's going to have the time complexity as big O of 2 to the power n. Okay, so this you have to remember. Okay, so let me write that. If you're done with the writing, then you please let me know. If you're done with the writing of the recurrence relation, then you please let me know. The solution. So let me write in next page, not be here. The solution of this to this, that is Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is given by golden ratio. Golden ratio is not in our syllabus. Okay, by golden ratio, which is big O of 2 to the power n. Okay, which is big O of 2 to the power n. Now we will see the next. Now we will see the next equation, next function, and we will try to find the time complexity of that. Now this is our next function f2. Now for f2, you people give me the time complexity, because you can do. Now see and just tell me what is going to be the time complexity for f2. So f2 is saying that here size is n, one initialization, another initialization, then again initialization. All these things are going to take a constant time, that is big O of 1. Now this loop is running from 2 to n. So like n minus 2. So this for loop, because of this for loop, the time complexity is going to be big O of n minus 2. And then it is returning again constant time. So overall time complexity is going to be big O of n. So in asymptotic wise, you can say that it is going to be big O of n. So the running time of f1 n and f2 n is here theta to the power n and big O n. Okay. So B is the correct one. Am I clear?